as you know, most of you must be knowing कि हम लोग we are starting with our Madhubani Kachni workshop on fabric. So you can see on my table, so I have made some few more पोटलीज. So हमारा जो main concentration रहेगा of our workshop that is starting tomorrow, वो कचनी काम पे रहेगा, जो मधुबनी का एक बहुत ही प्रोमिनेंट और मेन फीचर है. तो कचनी और भरनी, जैसे इन दिस द फिलिंग ऑफ कलर्स इज नोन एज भरनी, यू मस्ट ऑल बी नोइंग. और दीज लाइन्स, मतलब फिलिंग ऑफ स्पेसेस विद द पैटर्न्स और द लाइन्स इज नोन एज कचनी. So you can see these are the small potlies. So why we have conducted this workshop on this particular base, that is the cushion covers and the potlies, so that आपका हाथ, this is the cushion cover pattern, this is a face of a woman, मिथिला woman का एक face है, and we will talk about it in detail in the workshop. So this I have done on the cushion cover. So workshop में हम we will practice few patterns जो आप different जगह पे use कर सकते हैं, and how we can work on fabric. Again, it is very important to understand that working on fabric and working on every base is a different technique. So जब आप पेपर पे सीख रहे हैं, it is, you can use pens, you can use different things, you can use brush pens and pens. When you are working on MDF, the paints are different, the supplies what you use are different, the procedure is completely different अगर हम किसी MDF base पे कर रहे हैं. Again, I have used these this Madhubani on the Tholu lamp. So Tholu is leather. So जब हम leather पे work कर रहे हैं, it is a different, completely different techniques, completely different colors. So you can't mix everything with everything. So if I am practicing Madhubani on fabric, so it is a total different procedure. So if you are interested to make such beautiful cushion covers, और जब आपका प्रैक्टिस से हाथ सेट हो जाएगा, you can definitely go for the bed sheets, your suits, and the most popular, the stoles. So I have also started doing this stole. This is silk dupatta. It is a mix of cotton and silk. So you can see, no, these are, yes, these are canvas, not bags. These are the type of potlies with a string bag, जो येलो फ्रेम्स के प्रोडक्ट रेंज में भी अवेलेबल है. And to make your work easy, we are also providing the kit, but it is absolutely your choice to take the kit or not to take the kit. If you can arrange, I can tell you a cloth piece, because every workshop is a learning experience. It's not about the product creation, it is a learning experience. So अगर आपको you can arrange some canvas cloth or some cotton cloth, a bit thick one, तो आप लोग without kit भी कर सकते हैं. Thank you ma'am, thank you Vijaya. So again see, the dupatta is such, आप देखिए कितना it is so translucent, and again working on it, it is a different thing. So in my workshop I will definitely by the end I will do one pattern on this dupatta also, so that you can get more confident on the different bases. To start with, this stuff is the is a very बिगनर फ्रेंडली और बहुत आसान है इस पर काम करना, इसीलिए हमने किट्स को अरेंज किया है, सो दैट आपको कोई परेशानी ना हो कि व्हाट क्लॉथ वी शुड टेक. और एक बार जब आपका, एंड इट इज़ रियली ईजी टू वर्क ऑन दीज किट्स. आई कैन, सो आई वॉज मेकिंग दिस पैटर्न लास्ट नाइट. सी, आई विल जस्ट जूम इट अ बिट. I have taken a 000 number of brush. Just dip the brush in my color and see what I am doing, if it is visible. I will talk about the material in just a minute, Sunita. So you can see, so it is not so difficult on to work on this material. Particularly, it is a canvas cloth. क्योंकि कुछ कपड़ों पे कभी कभी कलर जब डाइल्यूटेड होता है तो फैल जाता है. सो इट इज़ वेरी इम्पॉर्टेंट दैट आप अपना जब भी सीखना स्टार्ट करें तो द मटेरियल शुड बी वेरी बिगनर फ्रेंडली. इट इज़ नॉट कि आप किसी भी कपड़े पे स्टार्ट कर लेंगे और अगर उसमें प्रॉब्लम आएगी तो देन यू विल जस्ट लीव इट कि ये नहीं हो पा रहा है. सो अगर आपकी भी कोई प्रॉब्लम होगी देन वी विल डिस्कस इट. वी विल be in touch in the WhatsApp group for at least 15 days. So you can ping me anytime. वर्कशॉप का जो बेसिक स्ट्रक्चर है वो इस तरह डिज़ाइन किया गया है कि वी विल मूव फ्रॉम सिंपल पैटर्न्स टू डिफ़िकल्ट पैटर्न्स. एंड फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल डू द प्रैक्टिसिंग फॉर श्योर. सो अगर आप आज भी ज्वाइन करते हो या कल भी ज्वाइन करते हो, or even if you want to join after the workshop, this will be a recorded one. So कल परसों और डे आफ्टर हमारा लाइव हो जाएगा. then you can also join it as a pre-recorded one and then connect to me on the WhatsApp group. और अगर आपकी किट बाद में भी पहुंचती है आपके पास तो you can always access the videos or you can get back to me for any doubts. In the meanwhile you can practice on paper. So the practice is the key element of all this, and I will surely make you practice a lot because I want कि जब आप cloth पे आओ तो your hand should be set, because working on fabric is a different thing. Or so the workshop is starting tomorrow. If you want to be in an interactive session, because I will be live and you will be watching me live, from tomorrow you can join today or tomorrow by 3 p.m. After that you can always join it as a recorded session. Vidya, I am using a triple zero size of brush. Again it depends upon the brushes. कोई ज़ीरो भी बहुत पतले होते हैं. तो when you register I will give you all the links of the products what you can buy. So we will talk about how the color should be, what should be the consistency of the color when you are working on fabric. So you can see it is just a small, practice say you can do wonders. What? So I am just making this. Okay, I have drawn and we will not give you tracing, we will make you draw. इसीलिए मैं आपको पहले practice कराऊंगी on paper and then you will draw on the cushions. The fee of the workshop is 1,050, and if you want the kit which comprises of 2 16 by 16 cushion covers and 2 such portlies, so it will cost 350 rupees additional including the shipping. So you can enroll with or without the kit. अगर आप सिंपल कपड़े पे भी करना चाहते हैं, take a bit thick cotton cloth, not a very thin one, and you can start practicing, and afterwards you can take all the supplies and you can arrange them. So also somebody was asking me that can we get the additional portlies. So yes, you can ping on the same group or to Meenal ma'am personally. So you can get the portlies. They are available. All these material are available with us. So you can definitely go for more material. If you don't want to attend the workshop and you are good at working on fabric and you just want the material, yes, you can contact Meenal ma'am for the material. And these all patterns have their specific उनका नाम है. they have some specifications जिसके बारे में हम वर्कशॉप में बात करेंगे. तो it will be good thing to see you all in the workshop. We have a bit good amount of registrations till now. So as today was the last day and tomorrow I have to start, so I will get busy with my workshop. So this was a, I don't know from where I have purchased. So this is a jeans type of texture. So denim type of texture था इसका. So I found it a little more difficult to work on it. But on this particular cloth, I didn't find anything difficult to work with. So this is my simple cotton kurta. So you can see I have just done a bail. तो black color का कुर्ता था. मैंने वाइट पेंट से आउटलाइन कर कर एंड आई हैव यूज द नियॉन कलर्स ऑन माई नेक. सो एनी प्योर फैब्रिक विल डू. अगर उसमें सिंथेटिक है तो इट विल बी अ डिफिकल्ट टास्क टू वर्क ऑन इट. विच ब्रशेज आर यूज्ड? मोमिता, वी यूज द fine brushes. Basic, I mostly work with a 000 to 0 size of brushes for detailing. For bharni definitely we can go to size 2 brush पे भी हम जा सकते हैं. डिपेंड करता है कि आपका कितना बड़ा एरिया है भरने के लिए. ओके, सो लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड कि आप सब लोग वर्कशॉप ज्वाइन करें एंड we can learn together. Okay, we need acrylic colors. Sunita, you can use acrylic colors, but I will prefer fabric colors if we are working on these things. On fabric, I will prefer fabric colors because they, उनकी consistency acrylic से थोड़ी ज़्यादा soft होती है. तो it is a bit soft on, you see. I have done, अगर acrylic करते हैं तो ये बहुत hard हो जाता है. It is such a simple border design, Vijaya, and you can see कि हम छोटी छोटी चीज़ों से बस we should know the technique to do the work. We can revamp our wardrobe also. Okay, so thank you for being with me during this session. Looking forward for all of you to join the session and have a good time and learn something different. Okay, so bye bye, and I am just signing off. Have a good day. Bye bye.